Well, I guess I learned I'm not perfect because I'm not always right. Yesterday, I made a video on this. I made a YouTube short on this, and I said it sucks. This is the Hart Basic Stud Finder, made in America with global components. And I couldn't get this thing to work. It was telling me, I had it, I think, over here in this area, and I would do the thing, and it would start detecting in, I think, over in here, because I remember that mark in the sheetrock. It would tell me that there was a stud here where I know that's just a void, but it wouldn't pick up where a stud actually is. But look at this. That is where a stud is. Let me move over to here and look at this. That is where a stud is. And I can go all the way down the wall. Now at the seams, it gets a little iffy, but I mean, it's a seam, so you know there's a stud there. But look at this. I'm gonna move down and boom, stud. Move down and boom, stud. It does this all the way down the wall. So this thing apparently works. Well, why is it working tonight and it didn't work yesterday? That's still a bit of a mystery. I haven't figured that part out yet. The only thing that I can figure is yesterday I had the air conditioner turned off. My new mini split, I had it turned off so it wouldn't get dust in it. And it got really humid in here. You know, if you live in the South, you'll know it, without air conditioning, it can be hotter inside an insulated building than it is outside, and really humid. So maybe that affected it, because today tonight, I have the air conditioner on and it's not humid at all. And this works like a champ. So is that the reason that all of a sudden I can detect studs exactly where they are? And I don't know. I don't know. All I do know is yesterday I said this sucks. Today I know that it does not, and it works so good, especially over here where I only have the marks up there. The yellow push pin is a stud. But I mean, look, I could not detect anything over here yesterday except weird empty voids where I knew the stud was not. Move it up. You'll be able to see that this detects perfectly right there, right where that lines up. And then over here, I can get it perfectly right on the stud. So this is gonna work. I apologize, Hart. I guess Walmart, 'cause I think this is your brand. These do work, and $9.88, it was the cheapest stud finder that I could find, and it's gonna do the job for me. So yeah, I'm gonna eat a little crow, and I'm gonna keep this definitely, because this Hart product does work, and it's cheap. I'll put a link down in the description. Maybe you're looking for something. Just, if you're in a hot, humid area, I don't know. It's the only thing I can figure. The Hart product works. Video correction. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.